Woke up in a dream of stone and light, cobbled roads and skies of twilight. Lingered near the Grand Place Square, stories whispered in the air. Every corner holds a song, in a city where I feel I belong. This is my postcard from Brussels, where the past and present dance. Golden rooftops kiss the silence in this quiet, sweet romance. From the waffles to the wonder, I've been caught beneath the spell of a city telling secrets I will never ever sell. Manneken Pis with his cheeky grace smiles like time forgot this place. Lace and chocolate streets of gold, stories waiting to be told. I came alone but left with more. Brussels opened up a door. This is my postcard from Brussels, where the heart begins to slow, where the laughter spills like coffee in a warm and golden glow. Every bell and tower's ringing with the story I now know. So I send this song to skies above, stamped with memory, sealed with love. And if you come, you'll feel it too. Brussels softly welcomes you. This is my postcard from Brussels, a city painted soft and true. Hold it close like folded letters that still smell like morning dew. I was just a passing stranger